welcome to my this YouTube channel, Code Monies and Life. So today's video about the scripting language of NetSuite. If you want to make a career in a NetSuite as a technical developer, a technical consultant in NetSuite, this video is for you. So in this video, I will be start from the beginning. It's like from the beginning, and then for the beginner who just uh, come in the NetSuite and want to make a career as a technical. So mainly these videos for only for those persons. Okay, so in NetSuite, there are scripts, kind of like coding languages also there in a NetSuite. That's language we call is script. This is scripting language. So basically, this is script language. Basically, it's inspired from the JavaScript. If you know about the JavaScripts, so it's very easy for you to understand about the scripting language, the NetSuite. So basically, first you have to before if you want to make a career as a developer as a in a NetSuite, so you have to first to cover your basics of the JavaScripts. If you have covered the basics of JavaScripts, it's very helpful for you to make your careers in easy way to no to go with that with the scripting language without any facing any issue. But if you don't have a JavaScript knowledge, so it's my highly recommended to you first to learn the basic, at least basic JavaScript. You have to learn that about the what is a data type, what is Boolean, and what's for loop, while loop, try catch. So these are things that are really important. So in scripting language, it's really important because scripting language mostly based on JavaScript. So you have to cover on JavaScript. So let's go on. We not cover here in JavaScript because our motive of the video with this about to scripting language. So basically in NetSuite, there's multiple kind of script is there. First, I will just introduce those scripts. First one is the client scripts, and one by one we also detailed discussion we will do that about all the scripting which one I will mention here. First is client script. The client script. Second one it's user event script. User event script. Third is our it's map reduce script. Map reduce script. And another one it's our schedule script. Schedule scripts. Next one is a workflow action scripts. Okay. Next one is rest restlet restlet script. So next one it's restlet. Another one is your suitlet script. Suitlet script. So mainly in this playlist of the NetSuite technical scripting playlist, where we will discuss on these all scripts. So first, we will going to start with the client script. The client scripts, there are so many trigger points. So I will mention you one by one, like which one is trigger points are theirs for the client scripts. So one by one, we are discuss about the client script, all the trigger points, which one mostly is used. So basically, mostly these scripts are used if you just to cover this script in a NetSuite. So it's complete for you. Like you can just consider yourself like you are like more than intermediate, like about like advanced kind of like knowledge you have gathered that. So client scripts in initial, if you are a beginner, you are fresher, client script, user event scripts, and schedule scripts. These scripts are easy, so you can just to handle this ones. And then after that, you have to go on the map reduce script. Map reduce script is much more important about the map script. It's really important. And next one is suitlet. Suitlet is really important when you have to create some customized kind of page you and you will going to create that. So on that time, the suitlet is really important. So let's I will in this video I will tell about what's client script. Okay, so client script is basically work on the UI, like what you have changes on a NetSuite, like form, like pages, like customer one vendor, like what do you have changes you have want to do as a user, you just like as a user you can see that the changes. So that's what is a client script. Okay, basically in client script there's many trigger points are there. So we can say that like a field change scripts. Okay, next one is our page init script. Might my spelling will get wrong, so please don't offend anyone. Okay. So page init scripts. Next one is our validate field script. Next one is line init script. Okay, and the one it's validate line script. Okay, next one is post sourcing script. Okay, so these are mainly the scripts are theirs, and the last one is save record script. Save record script. These are type of the client scripts. Okay, they're kind of like trigger points. So might be according to the just seven, there are another ops. Might be I'm just to might be I'm right now forgetting. So I will be cover those scripts also of the client scripts. But mainly it's just sevens are most important scripts in client scripts. If you are working on client scripts, you have to know about these all type of the client scripts. Okay. So once again, I just to repeat all the things which one I just to uh, told in this video. Okay. So our is journey about the technical net technicals things. Okay, so NetSuite technicals. This is about our playlist. So we will going to see here some scripting languages which one use in a JavaScript, which one use in NetSuite, and this playlist only for the beginners who just started in like started own careers in a NetSuite as a beginners. So this playlist very helpful from them, and and even you can, if you know, if you have any query, if who already working in this industry and they have any like query related to client script and scripting, so they can also just do a comment on in this video. Okay, so here, so these are scripts mostly. As a beginner, you have to know about the client script, user event scripts, map reduce scripts, and schedule scripts, and workflow action script, restless scripts, router scripts. So client scripts. So because basically, if we're going to start in next video, we're going to start from the client scripts. The client script, okay, I will tell you first what is client script, just like kind of like overviews. In next video, I will show through the practically. The client script basically work on the UI, on UI times, like just like on have to do some work and the changes. It's user can easily to see the changes, like what do you have to do the changes on the UI level. So that's just the basically the client script. Client script is basically on the UI level. Okay, so if you're working on any page of like transaction, purchase, sales order, if you do any changes, something, so it's work on the UI level. Like a user can see that your changes, everything's okay. So in a client script, there are type of scripts in client scripts, just like field change, page init, validate field scripts, line init, validate line, post sourcing, save record scripts. So one by one, we will discuss about in all the scripts in details in further videos which one I will going to post. Okay, so in this video, this is the all about in this video. Okay, because we are starting a new journey, and please guys, it's a request for you guys, like please support me. So if you can supports me, so there will be motivation for me, so I will make the videos on these scripts. Okay, and thank you so much. So that's it. It's in this video. So next video we will discuss about the field change script. Okay, so what is a field change trigger points in a client scripts. Okay, thank you.